Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the KusKus Starlight indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the KusKus Starlight indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 868 indicators, with 363 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 58 of the winning indicators. 22 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the KusKus Starlight indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. To make one slight visual change to it, so if I reset it here, you can see that it in the default form looks like this right here. And so what I did was I went in here, and instead of histogram, I changed this to columns like this. Really lets it stand out. We can really see what's going on with the coloration of the indicator. Now in the original testing, it did a 63% with 8 trades in the 1 year's time. So we did modify the time frame to a 10-hour time frame, and we modified the stop and take profit to this take profit and stop right here. Now the setup on this is we basically have a zero line cross indicator, zero line kind of oscillating indicator above and below the zero line. And so we are looking for when it pops up above that zero line with the green columns here, then that is going to be a signal to go long. When we get a drop below that zero line with the red columns here, then that's going to be a signal to go short. And so, for example, we see that the histogram or the bars pop up above the zero line right here, and you can see that we get a really nice push to the upside here, which would have definitely got us to our take profit. Then following along here, you can see that we get a drop below that zero line right here on this one here, and not quite as good as a drop. We missed a good chunk of it here as it moved really fast. Let's see, we avoided our stop right there, but we were able to still get a nice push to the downside here, which also got us to our take profit. That's how we tested it in the original video, and again, that's how we tested it here on this video. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test. That way things won't get too long, and we will pick this up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here in all these free channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even where he is looking to enter a trade. And he is constantly giving some really great, awesome advice to everybody, showing really how to mark up a chart using price action, kind of pattern setups, wedges, support and resistance, all kinds of great stuff. Our newest admin here is Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping people out on indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has created himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really, really great indicators. He really goes above and beyond to make sure that he's constantly updating the indicators, looking at new ways to improve the indicators, and just in general helping people, giving them on advice on how to use his indicators as well as other indicators as well, not just his own. Very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators, and just all around it's a great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and just really uplifting each other and helping everybody become better traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Squeeze this back here. All right, so out of the 50 trades altogether, we got the 36 winning trades, and we have the 14 losing trades. Let's add that there. There we go. So out of the 50 trades, we got 36 winning trades. We got 14 losing trades, which puts us at a 72% win rate. So we increased the win rate from the original testing from the, what was it, 63% to a 72%, almost a 10% gain there, which is really, really decent gain there, especially considering how we did a significant more number of trades within this advanced test versus the original 1 year testing. And so it might be a good clue that we dropped it down to the 10-hour time frame, which may have given us a little bit of a better edge on the market here, catching trades or catching that trend movement at a little bit earlier time, and giving us a little bit more time to actually get a trend move in our direction. But all in all, pretty solid 72%. That's just below the top winners that we have had. I think they're 74%, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember off the top of my head, but really super close, and a decent little jump in the win rate there. That's always a good sign when we get a jump in the win rate instead of a decrease in the win rate. And so all in all, pretty solid. This indicator seemed to do rather well, catching movements at pretty decent times. So can't complain much. This one is going to stay on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.